Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Alfa Romeo Giulia battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a reliable battery charger, safety glasses, and gloves. Ensure your Giulia is parked on a level, well-ventilated surface, and the engine is off. Safety is paramount, so always wear your protective gear to prevent any potential electrical hazards or injuries during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe charging experience. Next, locate your Giulia's battery, which is usually found in the trunk, often beneath a protective cover. Once exposed, connect the positive or red charger clamp to the positive battery terminal. Then, attach the negative or black charger clamp to a suitable ground point on the vehicle's chassis, away from the battery itself. This ensures a safe and effective connection for charging. Now, set your battery charger to the appropriate voltage, which is typically 12 volts for most car batteries. Plug in the charger and allow the battery to charge fully. This process can take several hours depending on the battery's discharge level and charger's output. Once the battery is completely charged, unplug the charger from the wall, then disconnect the negative clamp, followed by the positive clamp, in reverse order. To maintain your battery's health, regularly inspect the terminals for any signs of corrosion and keep them clean. If your Giulia will be inactive for extended periods, consider using a trickle charger to prevent deep discharge and prolong battery life. Remember, proper battery care can save you time and money in the long run. Also, for some amazing deals and to bring your space to life with smart tech, check out the link in the description for the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.